Welcome to Westermo Academy. Well, not really entirely certain what that is, so we have Ben here to tell us. Ben, what is Westermo Academy?
So we've been going through a lot of the Westermo products, so I wanted to talk a little bit about the Westermo services. Westermo Academy is a collection of courses, either pre-made or we can custom make them, where we basically effectively teach our customers either how to use their Westermo equipment or how to use an Ethernet network to start with. We find a lot of our customers, especially a lot of people on the tech side of things, we're working with legacy equipment, old serial cables, maybe having to upgrade to an Ethernet network. So they're not as familiar with the Ethernet standards. Or you get a new Westermo device, which is a great paperweight if you don't know how to log in and configure it.
It really is, because it's quite heavy.
Right. So what we do with Westermo Academy is we get our customers in front of our products, we get them hands-on, just get them into the training. We have several self-study courses where you can learn about some basics on how to access your device at home at your own pace using YouTube videos as an assistant. Or we have these sorts of training kits here where we send you a collection of our equipment. You can build out your labs, connect all your equipment together, really get in depth in building your own network, either at your office, at your home, or if you guys want to come here, we'll be happy to do any training wherever. So in this kit, you can see we've got several managed devices with copper, Ethernet, and fiber ports as well. We also have some devices here with serial ports as well, so we can show serial over IP technologies and how to set that up on our device. We also have some fiber SFPs here as well, so we can build a fiber network. We also have our Wolverine series line, so we can show our SHDSL ports. These are Ethernet extenders. These can go about 15 kilometers.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. So
that's far.
Very far distance. Speed's not the best, but hey, if you only have to send a few packets at a time, it's what you need.
It's more of the marathon runner.
Right. And of course, as I mentioned, we include a power supply, plenty of cables as well, so that way you can set up these devices. And then all you have to do is basically bring your laptop. We send you, like, here's a nice little booklet. It contains all the exercises and information, so you can build out your own layer 2 or layer 3 network, follow the booklet and learn how to do that and how to access all these devices.
That's really nice, because it sounds like you kind of thought of all the different learning styles, which much appreciated. Well, thanks for giving us the overview to Westermo Academy. Guys, if you want to sign up or take the course, I guess, Ben, are you the guy to talk to?
Yep. So I'm going to be the lead of Westermo Academy here in Westermo, US.
Oh my gosh.
So you can go on our website. We have underneath services, I believe, it is Westermo Academy there. More information can be found there, including what courses we offer, as well as who to contact in case there's any bespoke courses you may need. So.
Okay, well, that's very exciting. Thank you so much, Ben. And guys, if you take the course, you have to let us know how it goes, because this seems pretty interesting. So yeah, that's all we have for today, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.